Twisted Dancing tomorrow.
Festival.
Festival tomorrow.
Yeah.
Yeah, in Cebu. That's why you go there to look.
I will go
You.
to Sinulog Festival
Yeah, you go senior.
tomorrow.
Yeah, Santo Niño
Yeah.
Festival.
You know?
Yeah. Tomorrow, senior Santo Niño Festival.
Festival. You will go to Sinulog?
No.
No? No.
Many people.
Yeah. Crowded.
Crowded.
Confused and many people.
Yeah.
There.
Two season.
Two seasons.
Yeah.
Dry season and
rainy season. Yeah.
Oh, rainy season.
Now is rainy season.
What? Rainy season. Oh,
Yeah.
no rainy season.
Yeah. But sometimes like this.
Sunny
But
day.
in the month of April, March, April, May, that is a dry season.
Oh, March.
Dry season, yeah.